In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export, import profiles and scenes in OBS Studio, transfer settings tutorial. If you're moving to a new computer or sharing your setup with a teammate, this process will let you carry over your exact layouts and settings with minimal hassle. First, open OBS Studio so we can start from a clean view of your current setup. It helps to know what you're exporting. Scene collections contain your scenes, sources, filters, and layouts, while profiles hold your OBS settings such as video, audio, and output configurations. Exporting both ensures your setup looks and behaves the same after the transfer. Begin with your scenes. At the top of OBS, open the Scene Collection menu and choose Export. OBS will create a single JSON file that describes your scene layouts and sources. Save that file somewhere safe, like a USB drive or a cloud folder. Give it a clear name and date so it's easy to find later. Next, export your profile. Go to the Profile menu, select Export, and choose a destination. This will save a folder that contains your configuration. Keep this folder alongside your scene.json so everything stays together. For security reasons, certain credentials may not transfer. Plan to re-enter any sensitive keys or tokens after import. Before you move to the new computer, make sure all media your scenes rely on, images, videos, audio files, stingers, and any other assets, are copied over as well. Ideally, keep the same folder structure and drive letter so file paths match exactly. If you've organized assets in a single folder, bring that whole folder across to make relinking easier. On the new machine, open OBS and import your scenes. Click Scene Collection, then Import, select the JSON file you exported and confirm. Your scenes will appear in the list. Switch to them to verify the layouts. Then import your profile by clicking Profile, choosing Import, and selecting the exported folder. After import, switch to that profile so your video, audio, and output settings take effect. If any sources appear black or show as missing, OBS will open the Missing Files dialog. Use it to point OBS to the new location of your media. When multiple files live in the same folder, fixing one often lets OBS automatically detect the rest. If you change drive letters, consider matching them or relink once and let OBS cascade the fix. That's it. Export scenes, export profiles, copy your media, then import scenes and profiles and relink if needed. Give everything a quick test recording or preview to confirm your setup works exactly as before.